So today I'm going to go over how to form your imperatives and your infinitives of verbs in Latin. So we're starting off with caveo, a verb that means to beware. So your first three principal parts are important. Our infinitive is always the second part of the verb. So I'm going to plug that right down into the infinitive, so I don't have to do anything to it. By itself, with that RE attached, it is my infinitive form, and it would mean to beware. Then if I want to use it to form my imperative, I'm going to chop off this RE. Oops, sorry about that. So no more RE. So my stem for my singular imperative is cave, and I'm also going to put it down for my plural with the change as the plural is going to have a TE on the end. So both the cave and cavete are coming from the infinitive without the RE. How this would translate is both mean beware, with a big old exclamation point on the end. The difference is cave would be talking to one person, and cavete would be plural. The Romans are very specific with who they are addressing. And knowing how you're using the second principal part, whether it's an infinitive or an imperative, is important. So remember, an imperative is just a command. That's why I have the exclamation point on the end, because you don't have a choice for you to be aware. I'm saying beware. It's a command. So cave and cavete. Let's try another one. I have aperia. So I'm going to take the second part, my second principal part, which is my infinitive. So I could write it down there. And infinitives always translate as to blank. So this is to open. To make my imperative, I'm going to chop off the RE. So no more RE on the end. So aperi. And aperi is my plural, with the difference being it will have a TE on the end. Then they both translate as open, but with an exclamation point on the end. So we're always using our second principal part right there. And then we're chopping off RE. And then for the plural, we're adding a TE for the plural imperative. Let's do one more. Gusto. So once again, I'm taking my second part of the verb. It's where we get our infinitive and our imperative from. So gustare is my infinitive. It would mean to taste. Then gusta. Remember, I'm chopping off this RE. So where I will get my stem for my singular and plural imperative. To make it plural, difference being I'm going to add a TE. Both translate as taste. So both of these are coming from your second principal part. The difference being one is an infinitive, to blank. Second two are imperatives, they're commands. We're always chopping off the RE. And then to make it plural, once again, you're attaching the TE. So that's how you form imperatives and infinitives of verbs.